want to say this loud and clear. We Muslims are not the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You can take away our lives with your grenades and bombs and bullets, but you can't take our iman, which carries the spirit of shahada. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear brothers and sisters, standing up for humanity here. Yesterday, I was watching a video where a boy was collecting fleshes and scattered bones of his sibling who was shot and murdered by the Israeli missiles. I couldn't tolerate that video. I couldn't tolerate that video, that scene. No human can tolerate this kind of scene. But this kind of scene is everywhere in Gaza and Palestine. My dear audience, I want to address two things. That is the root cause of this situation. First one, the West. The West has taught us, the West has installed us that idea that the religion and politics is not same. The way of religion and politics are different. This kind of idea has been installed in our mind that it is weakening our iman. And the second one is they are keeping our world Muslim leaders blind. They are keeping our world Muslim organizations inactive. For that reason, our Palestinian brothers and sisters around the world are not getting justice. Our Muslims are getting oppressed. To all tyrants, oppressors, and the world superpowers, we want to say this loud and clear. We Muslims are not the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You are the terrorists. You are the terrorists.
Yes!
You can take away our lives with your grenades and bombs and bullets, but you can't take our iman, which carries the spirit of shahada. You can't take away our iman, which carries the spirit of shahada.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Our ancestors, we are the ancestors of Mustafa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our ancestors are Khalid bin Walid. Our ancestors are Salahuddin Ayyubi. Our ancestors are Yahya Sinawar. We can't let them down. The more you try to break us, the stronger we will become. And one day we will be so much strong that you can't get a space to escape. You won't get a chance to regret. Inshallah, the Palestine will be free. The Palestine must be free. Intifada Zindabad, from the river to the sea. Palestine will be free, inshallah.